Today we're going to do something new. We need a lamb spike, so something small, and I might just have exactly what we need. Buried in the back of this shed, there's two remnants of bikes. One is an old GS 750, but one is an SR250 Yamaha single cylinder. And I remember a lot about it. It's probably been in here 10 years or so. So we'll dig it out. When I say dig, there's a heap of shit in front of it. Alright, I'll dig it out and we'll have a good look at it. Well, we got it to the front of the garage, or the shed. It looks a bit very neglected. So interesting tire wear. Something's cut straight through it. Obviously whoever had it didn't care about it as much. It's only a 250. So one indicator. That chain guard might need a lining. One side cover. Except for the seat, it's pretty much all there. Yeah, we'll get it out and we'll have a look. And here it is, out of its shed. Well, it's been there for 10 or 12 years, something like that. And we're going to call this little Thumper. It's a little single cylinder SR250. Have no idea what it's like. Don't know if it runs. Don't know who owned it. Nothing about it other than they must have been an absolute fucktard. The handlebars have been put on upside down to give it a somewhat unusual riding position. Turn around backwards. All the gear switched over side to side, and as a result it smashed the Y in the Yamaha badge on both sides of the tank. Thanks very much for that. It's got a couple of oiling leaks. I'm not surprised. Looks like the throttle is half open. Well, it's actually moving, so that's something. But it's definitely not closed, and I guess it's because the throttle cable is in such a bad position that it's just keeping it open. Oh shit, we've got keys. Don't know what's inside the tank. You can hear it, it's pretty rough. There's nothing sprayed on this. We've got one side cover that's been painted black with a spray can. I don't know if it's original, it might be. Yeah, it'd be original. Got a very slight play in the side stand. Look at that. Anyway, what can I say? Looks like it's had a new chain on it. The chain looks brand new. Cog teeth look alright. Got the old sort of snail adjusters for adjusting the chain up. It's a little bit tight. For some reason this chain guard is on the piss. You can see at the back here. the wheel isn't black, it's just covered in tyre black. It's chrome, it's covered in this tyre black and chain oil. And this tyre black has come from an unusual marking groove in the rear tyre. Now something's digging into that obviously, but we won't stop, we won't do anything about it, we'll just keep going and you know it will eventually stop on its own. Is that right? Yep, that's right. I've got some drum brakes. Looks like the original muffler. It'll take a little bit more time to have a look, a little bit more research. Has a little indicator here and on the brakes. We've got a little bit left unless it's just badly adjusted. Obviously no battery wires hanging out here. Oh, hang on, I missed something. This is just fantastic. This here is an LED strip for the rear tail light, maybe brake lights. We just glued that on there. I think it had a little short little saddle on it. It's supposed to be a cafe of some sort. Short little indicators. One's missing. No idea, don't ask me. Someone's done some butchery here. We obviously can't shorten the wires, so we just wrap it up. Anyway, you get that. Starter solenoid hanging out. One side of the oil plug's broken off. We've had some butchery done on this part of the loom as well. It's hanging out. It looks like near the rectifier. Oh no, hang on a sec. Nah, we'll just make a loop. Just tape it up there. God knows where it goes. Fuck knows. Panels. No return spring on the fucking brake. That's great. Pretty porous old fucking aluminium. And what do we got here? We have 11th month 80. SR. That was a long time ago. Here's the corresponding smashed into by the tank because we put the handlebars upside down. Why? Who knows? Who the fuck knows? Really? Fork seals, without doubt, not going to survive at all. Sitting around doing nothing. The actual forks themselves are okay. They've got no marks on them. Everything else needs a clean up. We need a drum brake. We have the Michelin tyre, it looks like, from 1980. I will actually get the date codes on it because I'm interested. Find out what they are. This is obviously where it's sat. It's flat and it's bulged out here. It's electric starter, which is really good because I hate frigging kicking motorcycles. It's even got the chrome horn. Well, it might be chrome once we clean it up a little bit. I don't know if that's going to survive. We'll clean it up. I doubt it. It'll still have rusty pit marks in it. The old drum brakes on the front, which squeal as they go and as I'm pushing it around, protesting that they got woken up. Original indicators on the front. It's all right. Got a clutch of sorts, and yeah, we'll have to strip it down and see what the go is. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the engine yet. I'm going to have to sort out those oil leaks. Kind of looks like head gasket to me. Once we kind of get the head off, I suppose, and find out what's going on. There's a lot of oil around here that's sort of concentrated around this chain tensioner here. It's concentrated around here, but there's nothing from around here onwards. Usually oil blows backwards. Looks like we've got an exhaust manifold leak there, and I would say it's head gasket leak, because that's the cleanest part, and it's obviously pushing back things, so the head's going to have to come off at least. Anyway, we'll get it a little bit more stripped down and see what's going on. This is baby Thumper. Please subscribe to the channel because it helps me do these videos.